create this bonnet, you will need green craft foam, a ruler, pencil and scissors, some acetate, a selection of bonnet making accessories, some foam letters and an Easter bonnet. Cut your green craft foam into strips, roughly about 5 centimeters in width. Cut irregular zigzags in each strip to create grass. You will need roughly 4 of these strips. Cut your acetate into 2 centimeter strips. These will make the support for each letter. Fold the bottom of the strip of acetate several times to create a base and glue in place with the glue gun. Next, stick the letters to the acetate. Take your craft foam strips and glue them around the base of the bonnet. Take your white picket fence and measure around the base of the hat. Carefully cut away any excess fence panels. Using the additional wire, reattach around the rim of the bonnet. Next, glue the acetate with the letters onto the top of the bonnet, spelling out Easter. Arrange the letters carefully and make sure they are well glued down. Next, using the slightly taller acetate letters, stick on the word Happy. Take the final 2 pieces of green craft foam and stick around the bottom of the Happy Easter acetate letters. Take some of the green shred and place over the top of the acetate, gluing it in place. Decorate around the edge of the bonnet using daisies and sunflowers. Add some extra embellishments to the bonnet, such as ladybirds and mushrooms. Embellish the rim of the bonnet with Easter chicks, eggs and mini mushrooms. Your Happy Easter bonnet is now complete and ready to wear. For more Easter inspiration, visit hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.